It's your travel agent, David, and today we are in Panama City, Panama. We're staying at the San Felipe Hotel. It is considered a 5-star luxury boutique hotel here in Panama City. It's actually in the Casco Viejo district, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. There's a lot of cool things about this hotel. And if you're staying here, inside they have a courtyard you can go to. If you're across the street, they have a steakhouse, and then on the 3rd floor, they have a 360-degree panoramic view rooftop bar. Now, just a short walk from the hotel is a grocery store called Ray. There's also a cafe. If you go down the street a little bit further, it's actually called the Cafe Coca-Cola, which is 175 years old at the making of this video. It's the oldest cafe in Panama that's been continuously operating, and because they were the first ones to bring Coke to Panama, they're the only ones allowed now in the world to use Coca-Cola in the business name. So pretty interesting fact. One block down from the hotel is the Basilica Merced. Right across the street from it is this municipality building now, but it dates back to the Spaniards. So the Spaniards actually built that, and it was a government building then. Now it's used for events and weddings, but you can go over there and take a free tour. It takes about 10 minutes. They'll show you the architecture. They'll even show you a tunnel that runs to the basilica that Manuel Noriega used to work on escaping the Americans. Because in 1989, in December and January, this area right here was full of 26,000 American troops looking for Manuel Noriega. It's enough talking about what's outside the hotel. Let's go check out what's inside of it. Once you walk into this room, you're greeted with this open airness, and I love the French doors. It brings in a lot of natural light during the day. If you're a private person, it's probably not the room for you. You do have 2 nightstands in between this king bed, and they have 2 110 outlets in each of them. Then you've got this nice couch right here as well, and you've got a mini fridge, got a desk to work on, a little coffee machine. They don't have channels here. They have Netflix. So if you're expecting to watch some TV while you're on vacation, you're gonna have to Netflix and chill. They do have a safe in here and then some storage as well. And then right here is just a full-size closet, an ironing board, and iron. Wait till you check out this bathroom. This bathroom is the size of a bedroom. It looks like they used to have 4 rooms on each side, and then they broke it down into 2 rooms on each side. But you've got this open air area, a lot of counter space. There's a couple bathrobes in there. I love the long mirror. It gives it an even more open feel, if you will. And check out the shower. Now across the street is the second part of the hotel. They have a steak restaurant down on the 1st floor. 2nd floor is guest rooms. 3rd floor is up here where you get 360 views of Panama City. Now all those ships right there, they're getting ready to enter into the Canal. And if you're coming from Cologne, you're going to come this way and you're going to exit right there.
I give you an orientation. There's the main hotel. Then right over there is the Iglesia de Merced. And then right next to that is the Casa de Municipalidad. And right over there, you can go get a free tour. It takes about 10 minutes. And you can go through that house. It dates back to when the Spanish owned Panama. And there's a secret tunnel there that Manuel Noriega used to kind of escape the Americans in 1989 when they came here. Now for another reference point, we've got the hotel there. There's downtown. It's about 2.5 miles to get there, or a 58-minute walk. Ask me how I know. And then right there is the Basilica Cathedral Santa Maria de Antigua. It's right there, and there's a little plaza right in front of it as well. Some great photo opportunities there. But if you want to go to the Hard Rock Cafe, it's a 58-minute walk that way.
Now, if you have any questions about the Hotel San Felipe, let me know. Until next time, I'll see you next trip.